Breaking the darkness. Shifting mindsets. When negative emotions or influences reach a certain intensity, our inner world plunges into a dim, lightless realm, saturated with oppressive energy. This state of inner darkness seems to immerse us in an endless sea of negativity. The only way to address this issue is by changing our mindset. Shifting our mindset is not just a change in how we perceive things, it's a profound internal revolution. As we learn to view challenges with a positive perspective, the once dim inner world begins to brighten. It's not about avoiding negative emotions, but rather gradually dispelling the inner darkness through positive thinking. It's no easy featuring, it requires perseverance and self-discipline. Yet, when we face life's challenges with a positive attitude, the darkness within gradually dissipates, leaving behind a clear space of thought. Therefore, when submerged in negative emotions, don't forget to reconsider your mindset. Just as sunlight can pierce through dark clouds, a positive mindset can also dispel the inner darkness, allowing us to discover a brighter side of life.